everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys my Walgreens haul. Now Walgreens is kind of slow this week, so there's not a lot of great deals, but I did want to share with you guys on that. Now the other day, my Ibotta account got deactivated and I was like PO'd, you guys. I was PO'd because I'm like, what did I do? I've done nothing wrong. Then I ended up getting an answer from the company, so if anybody got their accounts deactivated or anything, there was some kind of glitch that happened in the system, and I was kind of figuring that out once I saw so many people did it. So hopefully you guys have gotten your accounts fixed. If they have not, definitely contact them. But yeah, they ended up messaging me at like 3 in the morning on like what was going on, and I'm just like, what? But yeah, so I did do some Ibotta deals, so I wanted to share with you guys with that. So the Ibotta deals that I did do are the Printable. Now these are all 2 for $2, so they're $1 a piece. And there's a couple different rebates that you guys want to do. So you guys can mix and match the one kind of Haribo's, and you guys would pay $2 for this, but then you guys will get a, you can submit a 50-cent off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.50. So you guys would get these for like 75 cents. If you guys need some gummies, go for it. But they do have some other gummies that you guys can get 50 cents back. Now I was in the candy aisle and I did not find it. Now my store has like this huge candy section as you're like turning the corner to get into the registers. And they had these up there, so I'm like, sweet. So they have the Happy Cola and then the sour streamers. These were 2 for $2, but you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with this one and a 50-cent rebate with this one. So depending on how many you guys want, you can mix and match, but you get these for 50 cents a piece. So I thought that was a pretty great deal. I'm actually going to be doing a little surprise little box for Gina, so I'm excited to start getting some stuff for her. So yeah, I ended up doing the Gillette deal. Now I did 3 separate transactions because I wanted to do certain deals, and I forgot to bring my register rewards down here, and I'm not going to go back upstairs to grab them. But these are $9.99. Okay, $9.99. Okay, so we have a $3 off coupon that you guys could have used in the P&G. You would have made it a little bit, it would have been about, what would it be, a $2.99 or think like that. But I actually had a $5 off digital coupon, and I wanted to take full advantage of that. So I did 2 separate transactions because they have a register reward that prints off. So $9.99, use that $5 off digital coupon. You guys would pay $4.99 for this, but then you get that $4 register reward, making them just 99 cents. Awesome deal. Venus is actually one of my favorite razors. I wanted to get the metal end, but it was like $12.99, and so I've been actually just using the same handle, and I just changed the tips on these. That's all I do. But I think 99 cents for some razors is a great deal. I was messaging my husband, and I'm like, okay, what kind do you want? What kind do you want? So I went a little bit crazy. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, my daughter took a bunch of them out. If you guys follow me on Instagram, these were not marked. These were $3.79. It is the 3-pack of chapstick. There is another flavor. I never did price check that one. I just price checked the original and then the classic cherry. But this is a 3-pack. The last 4 numbers of the blue one is 5408, and the last ones of the red ones or pink ones are 5417. These were ringing up 75 cents. That's a quarter a piece for each thing of chapstick. And if you guys know me, I am obsessed with chapstick. I'm constantly always applying it. I need like at least 4 tubes in each vehicle at a time. I need to have multiple in my purse. Like, I'm just addicted to chapstick. That's one thing that would be on my list, is chapstick. I know it's crazy, but yeah, so I think I grabbed like 5 of the red ones, and I didn't even grab hardly any. They had tons left, and then I think I grabbed like 3 of the blues. So 75 cents. If you guys need some chapstick, go for it, because I definitely, yeah, I got another red one, so definitely wanted to share with you that deal. I ended up doing the Revlon deal. Now these are $4.99, and it's buy one get one 50% off. I also had a $4 off 2 digital coupon that I used, so you guys want to use that. You would pay $3.48 for this, but then you get a $3 register reward, making them just 48 cents for the both of these, and I think that's a pretty good deal. I actually have a ton of digitals, but the only one that was scanning, there's only one that was coming up as I was scanning the items for me, but I'm like, you know what, 98 cents, go for it. And then I also did the All-May deal. I don't know where the second one is. Got another one. I did the All-May deal. I got 2 of these. These were discontinued. This color is Insta Queen. It's like a purple. These were $3.99, and they were buy one get one 50% off. I had a $1 off digital coupon that I used for that. You would pay $4.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get that $3 register reward, making them $1.98, and you do need to make this in a separate transaction. So Revlon, All-May, all has to be in the separate transaction. If you do have like one Revlon coupon for one item and one All-May coupon for one item, you guys can combine those and do those. So it just depends on what you guys want to do with that. The bag deal is back, you guys. The bag deal is back. I have so much baggies, it's ridiculous, but I still like to share with you guys on that. The one we've been using a lot of stuff, especially the freezer bags. I've been getting stuff and then freezing chicken mostly. So these are $2.79. They're buy one, you get 2 free. So basically these come out to be just 93 cents a piece. Well, I don't even care about Ziploc. Like, I am not a name brand person. There are some crappy, you know, the crappy Ziploc stuff I've seen, but these are actually pretty good. These are just comparable to Ziploc, but they're awesome. So if you guys need those, 93 cents, great deal, especially with a lot of meals that I'll be making that I like to like freeze my chicken, so I don't have to constantly keep buying fresh chicken. I'll just freeze it, and then when I need to use it, I bring it out. So that is what I'm doing. I also got some pizza. This pizza's on sale for $3.99. My husband and I actually love this pizza. So if you guys need some pizza, go for it because it's a great deal. I also got some pop or soda. These were 3 for $3. So it's all like the root beer, the ginger ale, Dr. Pepper, orange soda. 3 for $3, so they are $1 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. Considering when I go to the grocery store, they want like $1.50 for these things now. But it's a whole lot cheaper getting these in the little bottles. But everybody just gets the little bottles because they're more convenient. But Graham and I have been mixing stuff. I've been having some Hawaiian Punch that I mix with this, so it's really good. And you can't go wrong for $1. Then I ended up getting these Gillette. I was going to do this deal last week, and then I totally forgot about it. But these were $5.79. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a $2 off digital coupon for these. I did scan the other ones. The digital did not work for that one, but it worked for this one, a $2 off digital. You would pay $6.68 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $4 cash. You guys will get $4 cash. I didn't pay with points with this deal, but I did pay with points with other stuff, and I did get it. So, not sure what's going on, but I did get $4 of points. You guys would pay $2.68 or just $1.35 a piece. So, if you guys need some, go for it, go for it, go for it. I am cerealed out, you guys. I'm actually buying cereal to donate because I have so much cereal. We've been donating quite a bit of our food supply. So these are $1.99. You guys want to use $1 off a 2 printable coupon. There's also a digital coupon that you guys can use. We may have some inserts. I don't know. But you guys would end up paying $2.98 for the both of these. It's $1.49 a piece. So pretty good deal. I feel like Walgreens has been my go-to place on getting cereal. Like, that's the place that I get cereal at, unless I go to like Pick and Save or something. Yeah, and here is that other lipstick that I got. So I ended up getting the Rolaids. My husband's like, stop buying these. And I'm like, what? Like, you can't pass this deal up, you guys. So this is like an all-month deal, and we just got $2.50 printable coupons. So $5.99, you guys use that $2.50 printable coupon, and you guys use a $2 off coupon in the booklet. You guys would get this for $1.49 or $1.49. But when they start scanning my coupons at the register, a Catalina prints off for $3. So I ended up using that one instead. So this will be just 99 cents. So you guys can continue rolling them, and they'll keep doing that. But that is an all-month deal. I think there's probably one more week left of that deal, and then it'll be the February deals. So got the L'Oreal Elvive. My store is finally stocking this kind. I like this. This is probably my favorite. Love the smell. I like the way that my hair feels on it. But I actually like this stuff. So these are 2 for $8. You guys want to use a 4 off of 2 printable coupon. Or no, not printable. Insert coupon is what you guys get. I don't get those inserts, so I rely on the digitals. Plus there is a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for $2, $1 a piece, which is a pretty okay deal. I mean, usually that's an average price that we usually pay for shampoo and conditioner. Now, this deal is not the greatest, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that. I really miss getting awesome deals with these two items. Like, we used to get these all the time. I barely even get this stuff anymore. I get more, I don't even know what I get. But anyways, these are 2 for $8. You guys want to use a 75-cent off coupon and a 75-cent off coupon. You would pay $6.50. But you will get $3 of cash rewards. So your grand total will be $3.50 or $1.75 a piece. So it's an okay deal. I usually say you should get these under $1, but you know, we're not getting them like we used to. So if you guys need to get some of the body wash, definitely go ahead and get some body wash. Okay, I ended up getting the Palmolive soap. My coupon was not scanned for this, and I got the right product. So this was $1.99. I used a 50-cent off coupon for this. You guys would just pay $1.49. So big giant soap. I haven't gotten soap for a while, so that's why I bought it. And then I just have a couple more items to share with you guys. I ended up getting the Stouffer. Whoa, I'm out of focus. There we go. I ended up getting the Stouffer deal. These are 69 cents. I actually got a physical buy 4 get 1 free coupon. I don't like those. I don't like relying on the digitals because half the time it doesn't work very well. But you guys will get 5 of them for $2.76 or just 55 cents a piece. So I always like to get those for my husband. My store still had some 80% off toys. Nothing that I really saw that I needed. But they did have some couple things. I like scrunchies. Not a big fan of like this little deer or reindeer thing, so I might cut those off. But I love scrunchies. I love them. They're just super comfortable. I've been liking these more than the little tiny ones that I always used to use, because these don't pull my hair out as much. So I can't remember how much these were. I got these for like 60-something cents. This I know was $5. I don't know how much you guys would have gotten it for. I just kind of grabbed it, but Ben's like into mazes, and I thought, you know, this would be just something for him to kind of play with. So got that for him. And that was my haul, you guys. So my total came to $48.82. Like, yeah, it wasn't the greatest haul, but I didn't pay that much. I did not pay that much. I did receive $14 of register rewards. I did get $12.52 back with cash rewards, and then I got $1.50 back with Ibotta. So my grand total came to $20.80. I got 45 items. That's just 46 cents a piece. So not the greatest haul, but I am happy I got some food deals. Like, that was the main thing, like, I was happy about. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.